Good morning, grade 7s. Welcome back to our IS grade 6 colonization unit. Today you are going to be doing another lesson with me. Actually, it will be 3 sessions in this one. So this task, which you'll be doing in a group, will be coming to you shortly. So for today in IS class, I want for you, there's a document, or to go to Manage Back, there's a document given to you there. In there, you will have groups, you will have, um, sorry, I just thought of something. Your groups will be assigned. There will be the task. The task that you're going to be doing is almost identical to the summative that you will be doing on your own. So we're going to do a practice round of our summative assignment through group work online on a country from that has been or that we think has been colonized throughout the world in on it could be any country that is not in Africa, basically, that has been colonized. So you can choose a random one. If you don't know which one to do, there's a whole bunch down below on the next slide that you can do. But basically, what you need to do for this project is go to Manage Back, um, find your groups, have a shared document, and then work on submitting by the end of this session who's your group mate, what country you're doing, and then you should all be having at least one or two um, elements identified by the end of this session. Divide your roles up. Who will do what? Complete this. Do that on the handout, putting your names. Use special color font or typing font for yourself. So I don't know if you're Owens, maybe you're blue. If you're Nathan, you're yellow. If you're Nadia, you're green. And so that way you can see who's written what, where, have the questions all answered. Choose a country from the list below. I'll just go down there right now. So one of these lists, you can use any of these. You don't want to use one that someone else has had. So you can choose to prove the colonization of Canada, US, Mexico, China, India, Brazil, Cuba, Haiti, Vietnam. And so you'll be doing an in-depth look into these. You cannot do Indonesia because you've already done this with a group, another one. So basically what this project is it's a timeline. You have to create a timeline of the colonization of one of these countries. So with your group, you're going to identify where you have to include all 7 things. There has to be 10 items, certain other major events. So um, starting with the land grab or when it happened. So you identify this is the land grab. Here's a description, so many sentences. I think it's 5 sentences about each one, and an artifact to prove it. So maybe it's a military document from U.S. or maybe it's the founding of the Bay Company in Canada, right? Those would all be things that would go towards identifying the 7 essential elements of colonization. And so, as you go, each person will take a group, you'll make a timeline, and I want you guys to make it digitally. So maybe on like a digital poster or something like that, lining out what happened, and it'll be easy to read. You'll have all your documentation on a document, artifacts, works cited page, those kinds of things. It'll take you about 3 classes to do or 3 sessions to work on as a group. I don't anticipate it taking 4, but if we need to, we'll do 4. But I'll be checking in with you guys during our Zoom times, our virtual class meetings. So just make sure you're staying up to date, communicate with each other. If at any time a group member isn't doing their part or isn't willing, please contact Miss Hazel or myself, and we can intervene and help you guys. It will be fun. It will be really interesting, actually. So along with identifying the 7 essential elements, you also will need to identify 3 other significant events. Those things can be anything from major battles. You can have more than 10 events or 10 items on the timeline, but remember, it's all to tell the history of the colonization and to prove that it was colonization. Now, if you cannot find one of them, it's not truly colonization. It might look a lot like it, but um, please begin by going to Manage Back. If you have questions, remember this is the lesson for the next few days.